will be done in like a minute or two. Wrist. Keep the wrist in full palmar flexion. All right. Whatever, maximum, up to the point where there is no discomfort. If you start having pain here, still here. Okay, up to the point when there is no discomfort. All right. Okay, pink over blue, blue over pink. Pink over blue, blue over pink. Pink over blue looks better. Okay, good. So in this position, start from somewhere in middle of the mounts of the fingers and the bend of the wrist. So somewhere this is a good starting point where you want to stick the first anchor. Okay. This is where you want to stick the first anchor. And because the tissue is under full stretch, don't bother stretching the tape too much. Don't bother stretching the tape too much. Okay? Because when the tissue will be relieved, these corrugations will be created, lifting up the skin. Oh, she's really lean and lanky, man. Okay. All right. Okay. Then the second part of this wrist support is gripping the wrist here horizontally. And remember, like every other horizontal strip, this strip is also with 100% tension. Whether it's on the Achilles tendon, whether it's on the patellar tendon, this strip is always with full tension. With full tension, you apply the strip, bang over the wrist and lock it. What? You lock it. So now this part is locked with full tension. And the remaining, you can gently, easy, release, release, release. Yeah, you can gently wrap it up. There's nothing skillful about that. On this side and on this side. So, okay, this is how you do kinesia taping for general wrist sprains. And then you check for full movements of the wrist joint. That is the advantage of this tape being elastic. It is more forgiving to use.
So this is joint.
This is for general sprains of the wrist joint. Now you can tape separately for thumb sprain. You can also tape for carpal tunnel syndrome. Okay, that's a little bit more creative, where you cut two holes, put the fingers into holes, stick the tape here, pull it, and this way. Okay, and this one remains the common thing. Okay, yeah. So all these corrugations, as the wrist comes back into relaxed position, is all meant to elevate the skin and improve the functionality of the tissue. Okay, all right.